Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into Microsoft 365 productivity app, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into tasks and Teams meeting notes, Microsoft 365, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. We've all been there. You had a great meeting with your team and it felt like your project could really move forward, but then nothing. No follow-ups. No progress. You might have had someone responsible for taking notes, but how do you know they got everything? Maybe everyone took their own notes, but then it's time-consuming to pull those notes together. Trying to keep track of all the tasks and action items that could come out of a meeting could be challenging, and it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. But what if there was an easier way to capture tasks and track them to completion? With collaborative meeting notes and Teams, you and other meeting attendees can quickly capture follow-up tasks together. Tasks assigned to you will sync to your tasks planner and to-do apps where you can organize and manage them along with all your other work. Any changes to those tasks will then sync back to your meeting notes and Teams, helping you keep track of everyone's progress. To get started with tasks and Teams meetings, first open the collaborative meeting notes for your meeting. You can do this during the meeting by selecting the Notes option, or you can find the meeting notes any other time by going to the meeting. Invite in Teams or Outlook to capture tasks. You and other meeting attendees can simply add new tasks to the follow-up tasks table and assign them to anyone in your organization. When you assign a task to someone, they'll receive a notification for that task in their inbox. The task will also be available in the Assign to Me section in their Microsoft Tasks apps, including the Tasks app in Teams. When anyone edits or completes a task assigned to them, the changes will sync back to the meeting notes, so you can always stay up to date on the progress of the tasks for that meeting. That's not all though. Teams meeting notes is just one place where you can capture tasks this way. The task list is available in other Microsoft Loop-enabled apps, including the Loop app, Teams chats, and more. With the task listed loop, you can capture tasks in the moment alongside the rest of your work and have them sync with everyone's tasks apps. Try it out today. The integration of tasks within Teams meeting notes in Microsoft 365 significantly enhances collaboration and productivity. By using Planner and To-Do, organizations can efficiently assign, track, and manage action items discussed during meetings. Implementing best practices for task management ensures accountability and streamlines workflows, making Teams an essential tool for effective business communication. Check out the links in the video description to learn more.